Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great week so far. I'm so thrilled that it's fall because I really love this season. I love the weather, I love all the beautiful colors, I love taking long walks. I love pretty much everything about it, both being outdoors and indoors and cuddling up with some hot chocolate under a blanket and all of that classic stuff. But today I'm going to show you a small do-it-yourself project that is perfect for those of you who have kids like me who love numbers. And I will also do something else that I really like, which is using what's already in nature to make different kinds of upcycling projects. And in this project you only need two different things, and one of them is chestnuts. Something that is probably all over nature, at least where I live. I hope it is where you live too, and that you want to dig into this project. Let's do this. And that was it. Super simple, and you can do it together with your kids too. If you liked the video, I hope you want to hit thumbs up, and please share your favorite fall do-it-yourself project down below if it isn't this one. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. It means so much to me. Have a nice fall and a nice cozy season, everyone.